Hi there, my name is Abel, and I'm going to be giving a lesson on addition of integers. Well, what is this? What is this? Addition of integers is whenever two whole numbers are added to get another number. It'd be the same thing if it was subtraction of integers. It'd be subtraction of whole numbers to get another whole number. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys some examples, and I'm going to show you how to work through it and figure some of these out. Alright, so the first one we're going to start off with is 4 plus 3. Okay, if you do it on our fingers, and we'll see that that's 7. There's another way of showing it. So there's this rule with timelines, or not timelines, with number lines, that if you're adding, you go towards the right of the number line, and if you're subtracting, you shoot towards the left of the number line. And it may seem kind of confusing, but I will break that down a little bit, okay? So when adding these, I'm going to start off with 4. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 4 at the very end of the number line, right? And I'm going to put tallies to initiate how many numbers are in a number, or so whatever. Okay, so we're trying to add that 3, so what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3. And what we see is that it's going up by 1, so 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we see that it lands on 7. Okay, so we figured that one out. I'm going to do a few more, and they're going to progressively get a little bit more difficult. So, the second one I'm going to do with you is, okay, 9 plus 6. Okay, we do that on our fingers, or not, but we see that that is, well, I'm not going to solve it. I'm going to wait till we do this number line, and we're going to find it ourselves. So, we see that both numbers are positive, so the number line is going to be going to the right. So we're going to start off at 9, and we're going to add 6 or more tally marks. Okay, so now we add the 6. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we would see that each one going up, this one would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and so it lands on 15, and that is the answer. Okay, so now I'm going to start bringing in some negatives to show you how to do those. Okay. Alright, so the first question I'm going to start you with is 6 plus negative 4. Okay. So we see that there is a plus before that negative, and what that initiates usually is that another way of writing it would be 6 minus 4, in other words. Okay. So now that we broke that down, we see that it's going to be subtracting, so it's going to go towards the left of the number line. So we can start off at 6 and write back 4 tallies, or 4 more, and then we write that in, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4 we could figure that out by using this number line, 5, or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We figure that out, and the number is 2. Okay, we're getting a little bit better at this, so I'm going to give us about 3 more examples, and we'll be done. Alright, so the first one would do, okay, I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. 6 plus negative 4. Oh, did I just do that? No. Nah, I don't believe I did. Actually, let me just change it up. Alright. 5 plus negative 6 plus 4. So one way we could figure this out is that we could break this question up into sections and then use the number line to help us figure that out. And so that's what we gonna do. So like I said in the past question, plus a negative number is the same as subtracting that number. So it would be 5 minus 6, which is negative 1, plus 4, which is equal to 3. But we could also see that on a number line. When we see that 5 minus 6 equals negative 1, so we're going to start at negative 1. And since it's adding, we're going to go towards the right of the number line, and we're going to add 4 more tally marks. We're going to go up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, which we would then see is 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's our answer, 3. Actually, I'm going to give you one more question. I'm going to let you guys go, because I believe you guys have caught on, and you guys got it. Okay? So this next one may be a little bit more difficult, but I'm sure you guys got it. Okay? I'm going to do negative 11 plus 5 plus negative 7. Okay, so that negative 11 plus 5. Okay, so what we can do with that is that negative 11 plus 5 is 6. Okay, so we would count back from that 11, which would be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 at that 5, plus that negative 7, which is the same as minus 7, so it would be 6 minus 7, which would get us negative 1. And another way we could figure that out is, actually I'm going to give you one more question after this, and I'm going to let you figure it out, and then I'll solve it with you guys. So we're going to start off at 6, and we're going to go this way, because subtracting makes us go left. Alright, so we're going to write 7 or more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and negative 1. That's what we land on, and that would be the answer for that one. So, we got that. I'm going to give us one more, and I'm going to work it out with you guys. Okay, let's just say 9 plus negative 7 plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to give you a second. It's 9 plus negative 7 plus 4. Okay, give you about 5, a few seconds. Okay, so what this is 9 minus 7, in other words, which would be 2, plus 4, which would be 6. And how we would do that on the number line is that we'd start off on this side, because we're adding, so we're going to go to the right. We're going to add 4 or more. And so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 6 is our answer. Well, thank you guys. I appreciated you guys tuning in, and hope to see you guys next time. My next lesson. You guys have a good one. Yeah, peace out.